Hello, hi, welcome back to Success Automation. So, in today's topic, I'm going to talk about the abstraction. That's the second pillar of the object oriented concept. So, what is abstraction? I'll just go to the definition. If you go to the definition here, so if you go to the abstraction, I'll just so the abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation detail and showing only the functionality to the user. So the meaning of this is, I'll just take this definition, I'll put it here. So abstraction is the process of hiding the implementation detail and showing only the functionality to the user. So that is nothing but abstraction. So how we can demonstrate, how we can achieve in the Java. So I'll create the class here, right click and create the abstract abstract demo. um, we can demo different way. So for example, uh, void and some uh, verify uh, something, verify card. Okay, there's a method called verify card. So here we are defining the method verify card. So here we are going to write some logic here, something like connect to DB. Okay, you do some connection DB and take take the detail of the card and verify everything you do. So that all the verification logic, you are going to put it here. Okay, whatever the logic you have put inside this method, it is only define and it is only know the person who has created this class. Okay. Now when somebody end user or some second person, if he want to use this verify method, so what he will do, so this person, who is the person who created this abstract class, some class name, he will give only the method name, and this method name should be public or by default. So now you when you go to the another class here and your call, see for example, um, HDFC Bank. Okay, this bank going to going to use this abstract method. So the first way is you can do by extend. If you extend this class, this abstract demo class, if you extend here, so all the public property of this abstract demo class, it is visible to this HDFC Bank. So when you want to access the method of the abstract demo class, just create the object new. When you create the object, now HDFC Bank become child and abstract class will become child parent. So as he has extended this HDFC Bank guy, he has extended the abstract demo class. So all the public property of this abstract demo can be used by HDFC Bank. In the real world scenario also, see for example, there are some parent child relationship. So a child can access all the, he can use all the properties or the um, all the property, whatever, if it is a bike or car, something there with the parent, the child can use. That's a public property of his father and child. So similarly here, HDFC can access the abstract demo class properties. So I just created the class object. By using this object dot what is the method? Verify dot. See here, this HDFC bank, he's calling the method verify card, and when he's calling, he don't know what they have written inside this verify card. So when you go to the verify card, only this class abstract demo only know the logic what he has put. Whereas this HDFC Bank does not know what the logic has written inside the verify method. Just he can use the method. See, for example, I'm calling this method. He can use that. Yeah, he can use the logic whatever written inside that verify method. So that is nothing but a abstraction. Abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation. Hiding the implementation means whatever logic you written inside this verify method only know this class. That is what it say. Abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation detail, showing only the functionality to the user. So this HDFC Bank, he going to use only the feature what it written inside this verify method. Just he will call this method and he can use the functionality. So that is nothing but an abstraction. So here we have we learned about inheritance also. So there is another pillar called inheritance. I'll go here. If you see the inheritance, so inheritance means, I'll tell you what is inheritance. Before going to polymorphism, I want to tell the inheritance. Inheritance means, I'll go to the definition first. So what is inheritance? I'll talk about that. So go to the inheritance. We'll first see the definition of inheritance. So inheritance Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behavior of the parent object. This is nothing but a inheritance. So what is inheritance? I'll just put it here. So inheritance is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and the behavior of the parent. So if you see here, just now I demoed you. So this is when you extend the class. This HDFC Bank extends extend the abstract demo class. So this abstract class become the father for this HDFC Bank because he has put he has put the extend keyword. He has put the extend keyword. So all the public properties are, you can put like this, public here. So all the public property of this abstract class can be used by the HDFC Bank. Why? We have put extend keyword. So whenever you want to achieve the inheritance, you need to, if one class is calling another class, you need to put extend keyword. Then this will become child, this will become father. Now this child can access all the properties of the parent class. For example, I'll create another method here. I'll create another method. Um, Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card verification of Aadhaar card. So this Aadhaar card also is there in the abstract demo class. Okay. Just removing the spaces here. I don't want to create the object here because I don't want to use here. That's why I'm not getting the object here. If you see here, there are two methods, Aadhaar card and verification card something. So when this HDFC bank extend this abstract class, this HDFC bank can access all the public property. For example, take this object and call the Aadhaar card. So now he can use both the things here. See, if you see here, he is able to access the both the functionality of the method. So this is nothing but an inheritance. So inheritance property is, it's a logically like a technical word is inheritance. Technical word is inheritance. Technical word is code reusability. 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 So code reusability is, so this guy abstract class, he's implemented some code. He has written some code, right? He has written some code. He has written some code here in this the two methods. So all this code, all this code, all this code, all this code, all this code is reusable. Instead of this, for example, HDFC Bank also want the same functionality. See, HDFC also want the same functionality. So instead of again this Bank, instead of writing these two methods here, so if HDFC want to write the same thing here, so he can write like this. And now if you see the HDFC Bank, I'll minimize this. So if you see the HDFC Bank class, again he's writing the two method, verify card and Aadhaar card, something Aadhaar card. Don't want Aadhaar card. Yeah, okay, let it be Aadhaar card, no problem. So this HDFC Bank, again he want a verification card and Aadhaar card. So he can do like this. He can write the logic like this. For simple purpose to make to understand, I have updated two instruction. In the real time scenarios, there will be huge logic. You'll be having lot of code you'll put. Some 100 lines, 200 lines of code you'll put. So now this guy, HDFC, he created the two methods and he can access this logic because he has written. But already this verification card and Aadhaar card, the code is already there. Assume that the same logic is already there in the abstract class. If you see here in abstract demo class, already the logic is there. So instead of writing again, you can make it like this. You make extends, okay, and put the class name here. So when you make like this, when you make like this, like what you are doing, this HDFC Bank extend, that put the extend keyword and it extend in the another class. Now this abstract class is a parent. abstract class is parent now, and HDFC Bank class is a child now here. So this this abstract class is a father and HDFC Bank is a child now. So child can access all the properties of the father. So right click and here. This is how you can reuse the code. Code reusability, nothing but a inheritance. A simple word when somebody asks the technical word, you can say that code reusability, or you can say this definition also. So when somebody asks, you need to tell code reusability, and you need to give some example like this. This is how you can explain the inheritance. Hope you understood. So I'm just going to complete this session. So I thought of talking about two things here today: uh, abstraction and inheritance. So in the next topic, I'm going to cover the polymorphism. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Subscribe my channel and share to your friends.